Hello, good morning. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let us discuss about the historical development of community health nursing in India, which is in community health nursing syllabus. If we see the flow chart here, the historical development of community health nursing in India, we can see main three periods that are early history, the second is British period, third is post-independent period. So here early history, in early history again three periods were there: Vedic period, post-Vedic period and Mughal period. And in British period, reason for beginning of the community health nursing in India, Dr. Ida Sophia Scudder and other missionaries contribution and beginning of healthcare in India. And in the post-independence day period, that means after independence, WHO, World Health Organization launching, and after 5-year plans, basic courses and healthcare services to the students to improve the healthcare services, and health for all program in 2000 AD, and national health policy, and reproductive and child health, and national rural health mission, and Ayushman Bharat, and mid-level health provider. These many all comes under the post-independence period aspects. So these are all the three periods mainly we can see in the development of the community health nursing in India. The first one is early history, second is British period, during the British people stayed in India, and after independence, that is post-independence period. Now let us see individually one by one in detail. In early period, the first period is the early period. In early period, Vedic period, which was 3000 BC, before Christ, 3000 years. During that period, the Vedic period started. Okay, the second period is post-Vedic period, that was around 600 BC, and third period is Mughal period, that was about 1000 AD. And Vedic period, this was about 3000 BC, and it was the recorded history period. And during those days, the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, the people who were ruled during those days in India. And so during these days, the ancient civilization was present, and also environmental sanitation. They believed that the environment, if the environment is healthy, and the people also can stay healthy. After those days, a post-Vedic period has come about 600 BC. So during those days, the religious practice came into action, teaching of Buddhism and Jainism. By that, if the people do the meditation, if they keep themselves in calm and quiet environment, or if they can keep their mind and soul in control, and the humans can stay healthy. In those days, they practiced these rules. During the same period, the two ancient universities arrived. They are Taxila and Nalanda. They introduced the medical education into the society. That means training the students or training the people and giving some medical education to the people to keep themselves healthy. And also during the same period, the hospital system was developed. So during the same period of Buddha, two things are important here. The Taxila and Nalanda introduced the medical education, and even the hospital system was developed during the same period, that is post-Vedic period. And the next period, third period, was Mughal period. It was about 1000 AD. The introduction of Unani and Arabic system by the Muslim rulers. During those days, the Muslims were ruled our India, and they introduced the Unani and Arabic system of practice. And the disappearance of medical education. They stopped the medical education, medical services, and ancient universities, and also hospitals. And the next main period was British period after early history. And in this British period, four aspects we can see here. The first one is the reason for beginning of community health nurse in India. The second, Dr. Ida Sophia Scudder. Third, other missionaries contribution. And the fourth one was beginning of healthcare. Now let us see one by one in detail.